Welcome to the Smart Bar. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your very own ice packs so you can keep icing your injuries, help you recover from your workouts. This is super simple. I'm going to show you step by step how I make mine and give you some alternatives in case you don't want to use the things that I have. This is the finished product. This thing is awesome. You ever have those ice packs that are just too hard and you can't get all around the injuries like your elbow? This is great. It's moldable and it's reusable. Now, everything that I'm using in this video, I'm going to link in the description of my video so you can go and purchase it yourself, but you don't have to use that. I'm going to show you some other ways that you can do it. Okay, so I picked up this Home Space Saver vacuum, but again, you can use regular Ziploc bags that will work just fine. You might want to just double them up and make sure that the freezer is safe. But it comes with these bags that you can fill it with food and then suck out, the air and vacuum and seal them. We're going to make our ice packs with this. Remember, the ratio you want to use is 2 parts water to 1 cup alcohol. I already have the water measured out. This is 2 cups. So you just want to be careful as you put it in. There goes 2 cups. Okay, now you can use rubbing alcohol, or you could use Belvedere vodka or any other vodka you have around, because you probably shouldn't be drinking it anyways. So we're going to use 1 cup. And then you're going to add that to your water, like so. All right, so now it's pretty clear. You could leave it just like that, or you could get some food coloring. I just added blue. You could add whatever other color you want. We're just going to add, let's just say 4 drops. Okay. Now this is sometimes the tricky part. I messed up probably the first 2 times. If you add too much, it's going to come out and spill all over. Again, if you have just a Ziploc bag, you're going to seal it, probably put another bag around it, and you're done, okay? But we're going to use this little vacuum sealer. So you put it in, like so. It just takes maybe, 30 seconds or less. I think this is like 10 seconds. We're about to find out. And once the light turns off, you press and release. And let's check it out. Pretty good. Again, there's a little reservoir that when it sucks out some of the air, that it might catch some of the liquid, which it has. So you want to be careful that you don't just dump that everywhere. But again, just have a paper towel around. You can clean up a little bit, but as you can see now, we are good to go. So that's your ice pack. You're gonna put that in the freezer overnight. It'll stay cold for at least 20 minutes outside of the freezer. And then you put it back in and you're ready for the next ice. So you can make a couple of bags like this and then you can transfer them out. I hope this helps. Hit that subscribe button. Stay tuned for the next video. See you around.